Ladies and gentlemen, with a thunderous applause once again, please help me welcome all the way from the city of Kolkata, brand new Founders Executive Diamonds, SDPD Dreams Private Limited, represented by Dev Pratim Datta.
Congratulations on new Founders Executive Diamond, SDPD Dreams Private Limited. All yours.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, guys. I hope everyone is doing okay. My name is Dev Pratim Datta. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. First of all, I would like to pay gratitude to God Almighty and my late grandmother, Shubha Datta. And another thing I would like to mention is that I have inherited this great opportunity from her only. First of all, something about myself. I am currently doing my BTech course in Computer Science and Engineering, and I am on my final year. So, besides my engineering career, I am also committed to building this business and achieving great success, and also putting my sincere effort into it. I would like to specially thank my parents, Partha Pratim and Devika Datta, for mentoring me and assisting me all along the way. Without them, this wouldn't have happened. I would also like to thank all the Amway officials for their support and encouragement, for which we were able to achieve this. Now I will share what I have felt and realized watching this business grow since my childhood. First, I feel that this is a very futuristic business. Given the current economic condition of our country, I feel like this business will grow humongously in the coming 10 years. Secondly, I feel like one important aspect of this business is brand value. Like everybody loves to have an iPhone because Apple has a great brand value. Similarly, the quality of product Amway provides will help us to take this business to the next level in the coming future. And I will also encourage young people like me to pursue this business and treat it as a startup. And considering all pros and cons, I have felt that this is the most lucrative startup available in the present time. Thirdly, I feel like the most important aspect in this business is team building, where people work together to achieve a great goal. Team is the most important asset in any other field, call it sports or drama. So I would like to thank all my fellow teammates for their effort, their love and their abilities to pursue their dream through this business. I am currently promoting this business to my friends who are very interested to join this business, seeing the change in lifestyle, the flexibilities, the getting to visit different exotic places. These are all rewards that Amway provides. So another thing I believe is that productivity of a team depends upon how fast the new people entering this business reaches at least level 1 and level 2 pins, because then they get encouraged and they build this business more seriously in a bigger way. So as we all know about the halo effect, which is directly proportional to the productivity of a team. And lastly, I would like to say is that I am committed to bringing effort in bringing people into this business so that I can help them to achieve success in this venture. Thank you so much. Stay strong, stay safe, and let's grow.
Now that was such an inspiring message by someone so young, so young. Isn't that amazing? Now friends, let's call upon stage